Welcome to Whiteboard Project Management, and this is a special episode about the project manager duties in PMC projects. PMC is a shortcut of project management consultancy. Whether you are working for a contracting company or IT company or a product company, you may have a project as PMC. Let's start this session. Have you ever heard about PMC projects? Meanings of PMC is the project management consultancy. Where and why clients use PMC projects? When the client have a huge project, the project which is having a very big risk, means that the client have a project. There is a project. And the project here, it's under this client. And the project, according to the specification of this client, this project need a specific experience or expert to execute, and there is a high risk. The risk is high, and that the client need to make high quality product. In this case, the client went for a decision to have a PMC. The PMC is a consultant for the client. The PMC is a company or a party which is well experienced about this specific type of project. They know how to deal with the risks, and they know to deal with high quality. You now in a company where you have a project, a PMC project, where the client has nominated your company as a PMC, and you are here as a project manager. So you are here. What are your main duties? Simply from this shape, you can see that you are responsible for project quality, specification, high specification, and risk. So first thing first, you need to check the scope of the project. Then you need to check the quality, and you need to check your risk. Your project, you are the advisor because you are the experienced party, and you need to always give the advice for your client. You are managing his project on behalf of the client, and everybody will be under your control. All the project stakeholders will be here under you. Means all the clients' parties will be under your control. You are checking on daily basis with the client. You are advising the client how to do these things. Make sure with all these parties that the delivery will be high quality, and eliminate the risks. The structure will be that the client is here, the PMC is here, the client is here, and all other suppliers and stakeholders are here. means if the client is sitting with you in a meeting with other stakeholders, and some stakeholder need a change from the client should come back to you and tell you, okay, you are the PMC, give me your advice. What you need, what shall I do? You give the advice to the client, and it's the client decision to accept or reject or modify. So you are like a consultant to the client, and always the consultant or the PMC is a company which has a lot of experience in a specific expert. This project could be unique and could be specific. Like in oil and gas fields, maybe this is a special unit in a refinery, or this could be a special unit in a gas plant, or a special licensed unit in petrochemical factory, and others. Also, the PMC is could be not only for oil and gas, but this could be also for IT projects, where you have the client and he have a project. The client could be here like a bank, and you are a PMC project for he needs to improve some software for his online banking, and he is having a contractor, but he needs also a PMC to make sure that this contractor is working according to the specification required, because he have to deliver really high quality, low risk project. Simply, this is the PMC structure, and simply this is the project manager duties, the simple duties, the main duties for you to think when you are a project manager for PMC project: quality, scope, and low risk. Those are the main things what you need to report to your client. Thank you for watching, and if you like this episode, make sure you are subscribed to check the other episodes and to be always notified with the new released episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.